Hello everyone, lovely evening. How are you doing today? I hope that you all are doing great. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Mehdi Hassan. I'm the founder and CEO of Mehdi's English Care, located at
সংক্ষিপ্ত বক্তব্য নিয়ে আসবে পার্টি মডেল হাই স্কুলের স্পোর্টিং শিক্ষক মেহেদি স্যার। মেহেদি স্যারকে মঞ্চে আসার জন্য অনুরোধ জানাচ্ছি। সবাই মেহেদি স্যারের জন্য একটু করতালি দেই।
Education shapes our mind and sports build our strength. Culture reflects our identity. Hello everyone, lovely evening. How are you doing today? I hope that you all are doing great. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Mehdi Hassan. I'm the founder and CEO of Mehdi's English Care, located at Khonapara in Dhaka. And apart from that, I'm a spoken English trainer at Paiti Model High School. First of all, I'd like to extend my heartfelt gratitude and thank to our Honorable Muhammad Shoaib Al Masud Pappu sir, head teacher and director of Paiti Model High School, and also directors Muazzam Hossain Khan, Nazrul Islam, and distinguished Lutfur Rahman Khan. All their distinguished directors, please take my salam, assalamu alaikum, and take my heartiest felicitation from the core of my heart. Dear Paiti community, I hope you are having a wonderful evening, aren't you? Right. Most of you can speak Bangla, but our problem is we feel shy. Whenever we go to speak English in a public place, then we have butterflies in our stomach. We can't speak English. English can change your life. English can change your career. So if you would like to learn spoken English, join at Paiti Model High School and be the best version of yourself. In this 2026, English has become dominant. Everybody can speak English. চাকরি ক্ষেত্রে কিংবা আমরা যদি আমাদের লাইফে ভালো কিছু করতে চাই, English is a must. So why not? So thank you everyone for listening to me. Mehdi Hassan from Mehdi's English Care and Paiti Model High School. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you.